Hey traders, welcome back to uGenesys, and today I want to introduce you to our fair value gap indicator. But first, let's do a quick recap of fair value gaps. So the fair value gap is a price range that's formed during an aggressive push when there's an imbalance of order flow in the market. This is a 3-bar pattern where a large candle in the middle forms a gap that doesn't overlap with the first candle's high or low or the third candle's high or low. And you can mark out a fair value gap by connecting the first candle's wick, cutting through the large middle candle, and then connecting the third candle's wick. A bullish fair value gap is called a busy buy-side imbalance sell-side inefficiency, and the bearish fair value gap is called a CIVI sell-side imbalance buy-side inefficiency. And many traders use fair value gaps for reversal setups where they anticipate the price to push away from these levels once they are retested. And now let's add our fair value gap indicator to our chart. So we'll go to Insert, Indicators, Custom, and here's our fair value gap indicator. So here you can see our fair value gap indicator highlights the bearish fair value gaps in red and the bullish fair value gaps in green. And if you take a look here, after this bearish fair value gap was formed, the market pushed down, but then it retested and touched the fair value gap and then made a stronger push downwards. And right here you can see that this bullish fair value gap was formed and the market pushed up, but then it retested and touched the fair value gap and then went further upwards. And so you can see this is a great strategy to get better entries that can maximize your profits. And one of the greatest features about this indicator is that it has alerts. So if we go into the properties section here, you can see we have our bullish alerts, and you want this value to be true so that you'll receive an alert whenever a bullish fair value gap is formed. And we also have our bearish fair value gap alerts as well. So whenever a bearish fair value gap is formed, you'll definitely receive an alert to increase your potential for better entries. And this is one of the only indicators of its kind out there available for the MT5 platform, so you definitely want to get your hands on this one. And so it works very well on different time frames. You can see right now we're on the 30-minute time frame, and you can see again also on the 1-hour time frame. Here we have this bullish fair value gap being formed. The market went up, retested, and then went further up again. Here you can see it on the 4-hour time frame. It's even great for the 15-minute time frame as well. And so guys, you can see this is a great indicator for identifying fair value gaps. And so to get this indicator, you can click on the link in the description below. And thanks for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.